Hey kiddos, it's Mrs. Gershon here. Today we are going to start the editing process of our piece. Again, this is also a reread of every sentence, every paragraph. We're looking for misspellings and capital letters and punctuation. If you remember in the room, you can probably close your eyes and remember the chart that says no excuses, right? So we have to make sure we do not have any capital letter mistakes, any punctuation mistakes, and that will be really important for your piece to really get finalized. Also check your spelling. There might be words that you use that are a little bit more challenging, so sometimes we can have misspellings with those, but those words that you should know by heart, we should definitely be spelling those correctly. So I'm going to come through. Again, I'm going to use a pen today. You don't need to use a pen. You can go right into your drive and you can delete or add things if you need to. So it says, have you ever thought about taking a trip to space? Question mark. There's my pause. Now I'm noticing, because I revised this, that now needs to become a capital T. Traveling to space sounds like an amazing experience. Traveling to space would be a great experience because it sounds fun. I don't see anything wrong there. It would be fun to travel to space because, so I see a period and a lowercase. I need to change that to a capital. It would be fun to travel to space because the text states that riding on a spaceship feels like riding on a very fast roller coaster. I just love the fun of riding on a roller coaster. Also, this text states that when you are in space, there is very little gravity holding you down. It would be amazing to feel what it feels like to just float around in space. It is expensive to travel to space. The text says that it costs a lot of money, but just think, it would be so worth it to see Earth from outer space. This would be a once-in-a-lifetime experience. I have a lowercase letter here. Traveling to space would be an amazing opportunity. Please consider what it would be like. What an amazing experience for everyone. So I read through, I looked at every sentence, I paused, I thought about, do I have the correct spelling? Do I have capital letters? Do I have punctuation? Like I said, when you adjust yours, you don't need a pen option. You're just going to delete and fix and bring it all together, okay? All right, kiddos, we will be checking on your writing pieces, and happy writing.